Hey everyone, Don here, welcome back. I've got a 2017 Nissan Rogue with a heat issue. The heat works okay actually, but the fan doesn't. It runs sporadic. When you start the car, it'll run to whatever setting it was on when you got out of the car the last time. And so what I'm going to do is attempt to replace the blower motor resistor, which in this car I'm told is pretty tough to get to. So I'm going to dig in and let's check it out. So here I'm going to start the car and see if I can duplicate the heat issue or the fan issue here. Let's get it running. Right now it's on hot and it's on maximum, and the fan is taken off. It's sporadic at best. It doesn't stay consistent. Now, one thing that is consistent, now if I turn the fan down one notch, it'll go all the way to low, and it won't allow me to go back up. There it's on low now, but I just put it back on maximum and the fan won't speed up to maximum again. So the fan does work. I do get heat out of it, and I do get the blower motor does work. When it works, I'll get airflow, but the fan speed is the issue, and so that leads me to the resistor. So let's dive in. So to access the blower motor resistor, the pedals have to come out. This is probably the worst part of this whole job. There's the pedal assembly. It has to be removed, and it comes out with a bunch of nuts, some cables. It's not too bad. It's pain, but it's not too bad. And then if you look up it's right here, this set of wires up and back here, that's where the resistor is located, and it is a pain to get to. So here it is. I was able to remove it. There's one screw that holds it in, and then it just kind of comes out from the bottom and down. Now in my case, it looks like there's evidence of a mouse nest. I don't know if that's playing a role in this thing's failure, but we'll put a new one in and we'll see. Try and clean it out as best I can. So here's the new part. The folks at Nissan had a bit of trouble tracking it down. The part number on the old one is the same as the part number that's on the new one, but the part number on the box is different, and I don't know what's behind that, but they were able to track it down anyway, so we'll install it and go from there. But the part number on the box, 277A1-4BU0A, and the part number on the part, 277-6100A26, and I don't know what the relevance there is. I guess we'll install it. It certainly looks to be the right part, so we'll put it in. We'll see where we go from there. I think we're going to be fine. Alright, so the heater fan is back together and working. The hardest part about it was really just the pedal assembly, which is 5 nuts that are on studs that are coming through the firewall that are mounted in place. There's 3 plugs, 2 on the brake pedal side, 1 on the accelerator side, and of course the 2 plugs on the part that we replaced. The only mechanical connection is to the brake pedal, and that is take the clip off, you pull the pin out, and it allows you to take that whole unit right out. Once that's out of your way, you've got full access to the part you need to get to and replace, which is and Nissan calls it a controller unit. But anyway, it got me thinking, if that thing was plugged up with, remnants of mouse nest, right? It got me thinking maybe I should look at the cabin filter. Now, I bought this car used, and the cabin filter had never been checked. So the cabin filter just goes up underneath this little piece right here. You just pull on this, and this comes off. Cabin filter is up underneath there, and then install it. It just snaps back into place. All right, so there it is. The heater's working. or the fan. And a couple of tips, knowing you've got to remove the negative terminal on the battery, right? Disconnect the battery before you start messing with electrical connectors and things, so you're not unplugging anything with power. One of the other tips I could give you is if you've got power seats, make sure your seat's all the way back before you disconnect the battery, because otherwise you won't be able to move it. So that'll wrap this one up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.